This video is AI generated for education and entertainment only. After just 10,000 miles, unusual engine noise appeared. Live diagnostics reveal abnormal pressure and heat patterns. Controlled testing confirms overheating under light load.
Oil samples hint at internal wear much too early.
Teardown starts to expose the root cause.
Valve components show abnormal surface scoring.
Bearings failed early due to lubrication breakdown. Engineers narrow the failure to a design tolerance issue.
Micron-level measurements confirm excessive internal friction. Material structure analysis reveals heat fatigue patterns.
Microscopic cracks disrupted oil flow inside the engine.
Design tolerances proved too tight under real conditions.
Heat simulations replicate the early failure exactly.
The failure source is confirmed and documented.
Engineers redesign the part to restore oil flow. Improved materials are machined with higher precision.
Stricter quality checks ensure long-term durability. The engine is ready to be rebuilt correctly.
Reassembly starts with corrected clearances and torque values.
The crankshaft now spins freely without resistance. Oil flow is improved to prevent future overheating.
Pistons are installed with precise ring alignment. Valve timing is reset to factory-perfect accuracy.
Proper sealing ensures pressure stability and cooling. Static tests confirm a fully sealed system.
The engine starts smoothly after the fix.
Extended testing proves the failure is resolved.
The engine is cleared for real-world use.
The rebuilt engine is prepared for vehicle installation. All powertrain systems are reconnected carefully.
The engine runs smoothly inside the vehicle. Performance remains stable under driving loads. Final inspections confirm factory-level quality. The fixed vehicle is prepared for delivery.
The issue is permanently resolved.
The customer is briefed on the exact factory fix.
Smart monitoring tracks engine health after delivery.
The engine remains stable beyond the original failure point.
The engine remains stable beyond the original failure point.
Heat and load tests confirm durability improvements. Engineers officially sign off the solution. The fix becomes standard across production.
Reliable engineering restores customer confidence. This journey shows how failures become improvements. The repaired engine now runs smoothly and quietly. Power delivery is restored without stress or noise. Every failure teaches factories how to improve.
This is what a successful factory fix feels like.
From failure to fix, every step matters.
We reveal how factories solve real problems.
Subscribe for more inside factory documentaries.